Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy Tab A T500 and the charging port is now working. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the charging port without soldering it. This repair will be quite easier but sensitive because we're going to pull the screen out, because most of the time I found many people, they try to detach the screen and they end up with failure and smashing the screen. So first is first, you should have some tools, okay? And before you start, you need to switch it off if there is any chance, okay? And then you should have hair dryer to make it warmer, okay? But I do have the LCD separator, which one I've set up 105 degrees Celsius and I left it about for 7 minutes. If you don't have that, that's absolutely fine. You just need to have a ordinary hair dryer and blow some heat on the screen. That wouldn't damage it, by the way. And then once you feel this is quite warm and hot, then try to pull the screen out. Okay, as you can see, I'm using both metal and plastic. I would suggest you to use plastic. It's much more safer. So if you see it takes much more energy and strength, then don't pull it. Try to apply the heat again. You're gonna feel this is quite, soft and easy to come off. That's mean you applied enough heat already in there. If you see it's struggling a lot, don't force, because you're gonna crack the screen. Try to apply some heat again. All right, so that's the thing. So do one by one. It took about 15 minutes to separate the screen gently. So I just done some cut and fast forward the video into 2x just to make it shorter. So don't think it's that easy, okay? Keep applying the heat, keep trying, one side by one side, little bit by little, and it should be fine. And once it's separate, don't pull the screen away from the main board. Try to understand what is the flex cable is connected, and then you need to disconnect it. As you can see, the heat was not enough, so I left it again to make it softer again. Okay, because such a strong adhesive they used underneath the screen, which makes it so difficult. So let's carry on. Hopefully that would be a successful repair and replacement. And if you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe, support my channel. At this point, there are so many screws, all of them same in size, so don't worry. Just remove one by one and you can keep it together because you don't have to organize it, all of them same in size. So once we remove those screws, we're gonna take out this mid frame, which is made from plastic, and then we can get access to the main charging board. We're gonna disconnect the actual flex connector, and we need to pull out the board, and then it would be ready to take the new replacement charging port board. Alright, so the replacement already done. As you can see, this is the faulty port. By the way, if your battery already dried, then you need to charge it, and while you charge, you're going to see the screen is dark. Don't think there is something wrong. What you should do, you need to manually increase the brightness. Okay, and then that should fix the issue. As you can see, this one only shows 1%, means the battery went completely empty and the brightness went to almost 1%. Okay, so I'm going to do that, increase it, and it's solved. Keep it charging for a while and that should be fine. So thank you so much for watching, and if you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.